Hi everyone! Are you ready to start our English lesson for today? For today, we are going to discuss about that and those. Do you know when we can use that and when we can use those? If we want to ask about a thing which is far from us, we can use this pattern. What is that? So if we want to ask about one thing which is far from us, we need to say, what is that? If we want to tell about the thing which is far from us, we can say, that is blah blah blah. So that is only used for a thing which is far from us. And then if we want to ask about some things which is far from us, we can say, what are those? And when we want to tell about some things which is far from us, we can say, those are blah blah blah. For example, those are apples. We need to put s at the end of the noun because the things are more than one. Okay, so let's pay attention to the examples here. Number 1, what is that? That is my pink hat. In here, based on this picture, the hat is only one. That's why when we want to ask the question, we need to say, what is that? If we want to answer, we need to say, that is my pink hat. Okay, after this, Miss Lia will give you the other example. What is that? That is my black pants. In here, the pants is only one. That's why we have to use also that. What is that? Yeah, that is my black pants. Because in here the pants is only one, we also have to use is, yeah? That is. Okay, now let's see the third example. What is that? In here, why we need to use is? Because the thing is only one, yeah? And then the thing is far from us. What is that? That is my blue t-shirt. We need to use that because the things is far from us. And then in here, we need to use is because the thing is only one. So that's why we need to say, that is my blue t-shirt. Okay, let's see the other example. What is that? That's my blue shirt. In here, we need to use is because the clothes is only one. And then the cloth is far from us or from the speaker. So that's why we need to use that. What is that? That is my blue shirt. Okay, let's see the other example. What is that? Based on this picture, the picture is only one. So that's why we need to use is. And also, the picture here is far from the speaker. So that's why we need to say, that is my black skirt. Okay, what is that? That's my black skirt. Now the question is, how if there are some things which are far from us, like this picture? We can say, what are those? In here, pay attention, we have to use are because the things are more than one. That's why we have to use also those. What are those? Those are my shoes. For the next example, what are those? Those are my socks. In here you can pay attention, when the things are more than one, we need to use also s at the end of the things. Yeah, those are my socks because there are 4 socks in this picture. Okay, the next example is, what are those? Those are my shirts. In here you can pay attention that the shirts are more than one. That's why we need to use are. What are those? Those are my shirts. And also at the end of the sentence in here, or the kinds of the clothes, we put as my shirts because there are some shirts here. Okay, the next example. What are those? Those are my skirts. In here, you can pay attention, there are 3 skirts. That's why we need to use are. What are those? Those are my skirts. Okay, the next example is, what are those? Those are my hats. In here, why we have to use are? Because based on this picture, there are 4 hats. Yeah, that's why also at the end of the answer, we need to put as my hats. What are those? Those are my hats. Okay everyone, I think that's all from Miss Lia today. Thank you so much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.